Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody is well. All right, guys, so anybody who is subscribed with the BoxyLuxe box might have received this email, but if you didn't, I'm here to show it to you. So we know the value is going to be worth over $300. This is going to be for the September BoxyLuxe box. So they sent this email out showing that the value of the box is going to be worth over $300 and also that they are going to customize one of the items. So you will be able to choose one of the items that will be in your September BoxyLuxe box. Now they will send out emails to let you do this, so just stay tuned for more details, and as soon as they release that information I will update you guys. And then one of the spoilers, and again this is not confirmed, but we're thinking maybe the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer, and of course full size 60 milliliters, is going to be in the box. Again, it's not confirmed, but it is a possible spoiler that might be in there. And of course, we know that because of this clip right here where it shows it on the chalkboard behind, and also at BoxyCharm sneak peek. She gets a lot of information. So guys, again, as soon as they reveal any more information, I will update the video. And as always, BoxyLuxe will be linked below if you do want to go check them out. So always make sure your bell is on, that way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also guys, rate the video for me if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. That just shows me exactly which videos you guys have been enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you. And one more tiny favor before you guys head out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Oh, yeah, guys, if you didn't see about my new BoxyCharm series, I will be having Yuki in it with me as well. And again, I'm not exactly sure how many videos. Maybe it might be like 2 videos a month where I'll gather up everything from his post, but you'll be stalking him with me. See if we can't spot some spoilers, guys, so stay tuned for that as well. Bye, guys.